How to become a blockchain developer. Blockchain technology is about to change how data is stored and how business is done in the digital world. Blockchain was first made as a platform for Bitcoin, but it is now showing a level of flexibility and security that has made many business and government sectors take notice and start to use it. With this in mind, it makes sense to think about becoming a blockchain developer if you want to get into a career with a lot of growth potential and a new, exciting technology that is just getting started. If this sounds interesting and you want to learn how to become a blockchain developer, keep reading to learn everything you need to know about this exciting and interesting job. What is a chain of blocks? A blockchain is a digital record of all cryptocurrency transactions on all peer-to-peer networks. And this blockchain technology is different from other ways of making transactions, which are usually centralized and controlled by certain governments and groups. But this blockchain is decentralized, which means that no single person or group has control over it. More businesses all over the world can benefit from this technology because it lets them do secure transactions without involving third parties. Nodes in a network check transactions and write them down in a public ledger called a blockchain. Every node in the network keeps the blockchain up to date and safe. Because of this, blockchain technology is known for being very safe because it is hard to change data once it has been added to the blockchain. Also, the cryptographic hash makes it very hard to change data without being caught. What is the development of a blockchain? Blockchain development is the process of making a blockchain platform and keeping it up to date. This means building the infrastructure that makes it possible to make and manage blockchain-based applications and services, like digital currencies, smart contracts, and distributed applications. It also means making the tools and technologies that the platform needs to work. A blockchain application is just a program or platform that uses the security, transparency, and trustworthiness of a blockchain. Building a blockchain is a difficult process that requires a deep understanding of the technology behind it. It also needs a strong dedication to security and the ability to grow. Creating a blockchain platform is a big job that takes a lot of time, money, and knowledge. What does a developer of the blockchain do? A blockchain developer makes decentralized applications, DApps, and smart contracts that use blockchain technology. They also know how the technology works and what its architecture and protocols are. They are in charge of making 3D models, 3D designs, and other 3D content, like what is used in games. The short and wise answer to this question is that a blockchain developer makes blockchains. So, that was simple. Now that that's out of the way, let's talk about what a blockchain developer actually does. To answer this question best, we need to first establish that there are two types of blockchain developers: core blockchain developers and blockchain software developers. You could think of them as parts of blockchain development. Read also. What is blockchain and why does it matter? A core blockchain developer plans the security and structure of the blockchain system that is being proposed. In a sense, the core blockchain developer builds the base on which other people will then build. There may be times when the same person does both jobs. This is most likely when the business is small and people usually have more than one job. No matter what, a blockchain developer has to do the following things every day. 1. Start with schoolwork. Before you can become a blockchain developer, you need a strong background in computer science or mathematics. It is possible to get a bachelor's or master's degree with a specialization in a relevant subject, since it would be helpful to know a lot about computer science, and math. 2. Get good at the tech skills you need. Before you can become a blockchain developer, you need to learn certain technical skills, such as A. Programming languages. Before you can become a blockchain developer, you need to learn how to code. As we've already talked about, a blockchain developer has many different jobs. There is a must-have skill for coding and making blockchain apps. B. Data structures. Learning about data structures improves your ability to understand problems on a broad level and helps you find the best solution possible given the constraints. They are also used to store information in a way that is organized and easy to use. Learn about arrays, trees, and linked lists, among other types of data structures. C. Databases and networking. A blockchain network is a peer-to-peer network where all nodes share data. According to the definition of blockchain, creating and maintaining a blockchain network requires database management and computer networking. D. Cryptography. It is a way to keep sensitive information safe from attacks, threats, and users who shouldn't have access to it. Developing cryptography protocols starts with the basics of computer science and mathematics. In general, Different cryptographic methods are used to encrypt data at the sender and decrypt it at the receiver. 3. Learn the basics about blockchain. To train yourself to become a blockchain developer, it is very important to understand the basic ideas and terms in the field. It is a required skill, and if you don't know enough about the field, you can't go any further in the blockchain industry. So, you should learn the basic ideas behind blockchain and get a better understanding of them. You should also learn about real-time blockchain applications and how different consensus protocols work. Look at how blockchain technology has changed recently. 4. Find out about cryptology. With the help of different security protocols, the data in blockchain technology is encrypted to keep it safe. Cryptonomics is when economics and cryptography are put together. To make strong cryptography protocols, you need to know a lot about math and computer science. In a blockchain network, different types of cryptography are used, such as RSA and hash functions. To understand Bitcoin and Ether, you need to know both how cryptography works and how the economy works. 5. Find out about Ethereum and dApps. Ethereum is one of the newest technologies. It is decentralized and built on the basic ideas of blockchain technology. It is an open-source technology that many people in the business world use. It lets the developers of the Ethereum blockchain make a special protocol for transactions called smart contract and other apps called decentralized applications, the dApps. These are like regular apps for mobile devices. 6. Find out about the smart contract and the Solidity. This new technology makes it possible for Ethereum blockchain developers to write code and create something called smart contracts, which is a type of transaction protocol. The goal of a smart contract is to make the process of a transaction between two parties easier by limiting the role of a third party and getting rid of any extra costs. Solidity is a programming language that is used to make smart contracts and run business logic. 7. Try things out for yourself. In addition to theoretical knowledge, every blockchain developer should also have some hands-on experience. Build different blockchain applications to do the subjective things. Learn how to code in languages like Solidity and build smart contracts and dApps to get more experience. With their new skills and knowledge, blockchain developers can try to get internships at companies that want to grow in this area. Many online training and educational institutions offer hands-on tutorials for free or for a fee, and their certification is valuable on the market. I hope you liked this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.